Heads in here.
Hey everybody!
Hello.
It's another great day in Ohio.
Yeah, we're back. I'm back home, and
Yay!
it's really, really hot. We're having a heat advisory.
Yeah, it's a little too hot, but you know, what are you gonna do?
It's summer. I'm fine.
Have some oil.
Yeah, CBD queen.
I'm the queen of Worcester.
Queen of
with
CBD.
my sister. The Worcester sisters.
We had a good day today talking to a few people here.
Yes.
And one thing we were talking about was how when you have troubles in your life, which we all do, everybody goes through stuff. You have a couple choices. You can either get bitter or you can get better. And hopefully we've chosen most of the time. I doubt it, but sometimes you figure it out later.
Yeah, it's not like when you're in the heat of the fire, but
No.
later on down the road.
Then you figure out that when things happen, it's always for a reason.
Yeah.
And even
called
bad things.
The school of hard knocks.
Yeah, we've been there. We've done some of that. Not to say that we're done, but we're just being able to talk to some people today about how life can be hard, but there's always hope.
Yeah.
And even in the hard things, even when you're in the midst of it, you can remember that maybe later you'll be able to use that to help somebody else.
Today we had some really amazing conversations with two people that have been through tremendously hard struggles, and you know, some that are similar to ones we've been through. And through this plant and how it helps us and our bodies be strengthened and able to deal with life and our problems, we were able to share that and really help them see that the way things are right now is not the way it's going to stay.
Right.
We're always in motion, and we're here to help facilitate motion in a good direction.
Right. Every day you wake up and you have a choice. You know, am I going to feel sorry for myself, or am I going to get out of bed and try to do something a little different or a little better than yesterday?
Yeah, even a little progress every day is the best. I mean, just hang on to the good, put the bad aside, and focus forward.
You know, one thing I remember reading once about perfectionism. The problem with perfectionism is it holds you back, because you think that unless you can do things perfectly, you shouldn't do them at all. And that's not true.
Yeah, you get stagnant acting like that.
The truth is, a little tiny, it might seem really, really, really tiny to you, a step, but it's still a step.
Yeah, baby steps are still good steps.
And you're going in the right direction. So what we find with CBD is it helps facilitate that for people.
Right.
Makes it easier to make those steps.
Yeah, because inside, you know, my feelings inside are settled, and I'm able to think more clearly and sort things out and make better decisions.
When I sleep better and I have more energy from that, and my mood is better and more evened out, then it's easier to do the things that might make me even healthier.
Right.
So,
Like whenever I know I'm going to have a really hard, busy day ahead, I might slip a little extra oil in there.
Yeah, right.
Like another dose during the day, like midday or something, is usually what I end up doing, but that's me. That's what I know I need for me.
yeah, everybody figures out what works for them.
Right.
But it's funny how this business, not only is it about the products and the business, but it's also just about relationships and letting people know that you've been maybe somewhere close to where they've been, and that you get it, and that you're there for them, and you're finding help.
Yeah, one of the best parts of this business is knowing that you truly are helping change people's lives, and if they feel better, then it's going to affect everybody around them.
Yes, it spreads. So when you feel terrible, do you ever notice that, let's say you're in a bad mood, then your whole family ends up in a bad mood?
Yeah.
Same thing with a good mood.
Yeah.
So be the person that makes the change
Yeah.
and does what's healthy for you. And we have a whole product line to help you with that, and then also work on your thinking.
Yeah. If you think, even whenever you know that you've got some really hard problems ahead of you, if you're thinking, well, I know there's a way through it,
Right.
instead of, I'm just going to give up and quit.
Yeah, negative.
You know?
Yeah,
No.
which we've all been tempted to be like that or have been like that. But
Yeah.
let's not do that.
Yeah.
It doesn't help.
Yeah, this tiny little plant is what strengthens me and then helps me keep moving, and then I tell everybody else about it, and it's the ripple effect.
That's right. And just having a fun time with our business and showing people there's a different way financially as well.
Yeah.
They're not stuck if they don't want to be.
Right.
So
if you want to work hard, there's a great training system in place, and we're available too, but thanks to Barb Miller, yay! We all have a great way of learning how to, pick up and move on this.
So get back to the person that added you or brought you to this page. Talk to them. Get back to the person that invited you to this page and talk to them about getting started. They'll help you. We're all in the same awesome team.
Yeah.
We're the fastest growing team and the fastest growing company in network marketing. You can't go wrong.
Nope. And share this with all your friends.
Hit share, and thank you for being here. Have a great weekend.